YCQ9M Series Automatic Transfer Switch, ATS. The newly designed YCQ9M Series Automatic Transfer Switch appliance with a new integrated one-piece streamlined large arc surface design, which is simple and unique. The function buttons and indicator of the control part are very simple and pleasing. The hiding control line design enhances the safety of the products. Rack-rated current 63A through 630A. Number of poles 3P, 4P. Product type integrated. Electrical level CB level. Full range of high braking capacity. This series of products has the following structural features. 1. Ensure uninterrupted operation of critical power. When the overvoltage, undervoltage, or equal fault occurs in one power supply, it will automatically switch to another power supply or start the generator. 2. Complete automatic power conversion system. It is equipped with 3 modes of self-return, self-recovery, and self-recovery, and 2 modes of operation, grid, and grid generator. 3. Intelligent. Built-in communication module for 4 remote functions. Safe and reliable with fire linkage function. High environment adaptability can be operated in extreme environment, -35 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius ambient temperature range, to meet the application needs of various occasions. Deliver power for better life. CNC Electric.